Hi everyone, it's Laura Brazil of Mind Over Muscle. I'm going to give you a quick tip that you can do right now as you're sitting, standing, wherever you may be watching this movement tip to stretch out your upper traps. This area tends to get really tight for folks, and it almost feels like our shoulders just creep up toward our ears. It gets really, really tight and a lot of tension and soreness, which is why it's so nice to loved ones give us massages um, right there. So here we go. You're just going to, I call this the server hand stretch. So you're going to put your palm face up and then bring the hand out to the side. And what we're doing is externally rotating the shoulder as we do that. You can even think about pushing your elbow forward just a little bit. And then imagine someone's like they're pulling a string to get a little more traction. So just getting into this elbow pushed a little bit forward, elbow pulling away from the shoulder position can be a stretch for the shoulder area, but we're getting traction on the bottom of your upper trap. Now you're going to take your head in the opposite direction, so you're dropping your ear towards your shoulder. And what we're trying to do here is keep our line of pull. So now we're pulling from the bottom of this muscle here and the muscles that attach along this direction. And then with the head tilt, we're pulling from that direction as well. You can do a couple things once you're here. So we're getting traction from both the top and the bottom. If you want to move some things around, you can kind of make little circles with your elbow. You can also move your head forward and back, and as you do that, you'll get a different line of pull along the side of the neck as you move your head forward and back. But we're trying to loosen things up along here. If you feel it primarily in the shoulder, most people will feel it up in the neck, but if you're feeling it like in the shoulder or anywhere else, it's likely that that spot we're able to access multiple spots to stretch here in this position. So if you're feeling it somewhere else, most people are so tight on the side of their neck that that's where they're gonna feel it. But if you're, again, I've repeated myself so many times, if you're feeling it somewhere else, it's okay. There are other areas that might be tighter for you personally today. So let's go to the other side. So have the palm face up, externally rotate the shoulder, and then pushing my elbow forward a little bit, and then taking my head the opposite direction, kind of letting my ear fall toward the opposite shoulder. Now on the other side, the first side that I did, I really felt it in my shoulder. On this side, I really feel it in the side of my neck. And that is also normal, that people would have left to right side discrepancies because we use our arms in different ways. We use our head and necks in different ways. Driving is a perfect example of that, where you probably look over one shoulder but not the other one, or you look over your shoulders differently as you're driving. So very normal to have different tension from side to side. You can make those little circles if you'd like, or you can move your head forward and back and play with this here. And when you're done, obviously take a big exhale and enjoy it because you just stretched out. Depending on where you're tight, side of the neck, front of the shoulders, even up by the collarbone. So enjoy that stretch. If you're still watching this video and haven't done it yet, stop now, rewind, click on the time to take you to the stretch, and you can stretch with me the second pass through. All right, enjoy this movement tip and have a great day.